What's the meaning of associationism? Associationism. Associationism.
Associationism. Associationism. Associationism is a psychological theory that suggests that complex mental processes and behaviors can be explained by the association of simple sensory experiences. This theory proposes that learning and memory are the result of associations formed between different sensations, thoughts, and experiences. According to associationism, our experiences are stored in memory as interconnected nodes or ideas, and recall of one idea can lead to the retrieval of associated ideas. This theory has influenced many areas of psychology, including the development of behaviorism and cognitive psychology.